Proaim mounting clamp for DJI Ronin-S gimbal is designed to provide a steady grip to the users. Made of high-grade aluminum, is light but super strong, durable and easy to set and remove. Setting is fast. It's enough to tighten the two screws with the tool included, and the rubber pads inside the clamp prevent any scratches on the gimbal. There are several holes with 1/4 and 3/8 of an inch holes, and these allow to mount accessories as LED light, microphones or arms for external monitor. Thanks to the double NATO rail system, it's possible to choose in which side is best for you to mount the hand grip, that it's simple to attach with any standard arms and vest stabilization system. The weight is about half kilogram. For this reason, it doesn't affect too much on a long shooting session. A safety catch on each side helps to prevent any possible fall. Proaim, we give life to your imagination.